Going live. We're going live. Okay. Oh yeah, we're live. Let's wait until someone comes in. Just stare at him. This is Mr. B. Mr. Buttons here. Your G, your guy. And we're about to make some buttons. Just one button. Not even a button, more of a knob. Alright? It's all about automating, you know what I mean? Alright, so this is my first live stream. So it might go cray. It might go cray, so bear with me. Alright, we're ready to roll. We're gonna make some buttons. Welcome. Not really a button, more of a knob. Let me show you what I mean. Check out this knob, alright? Boom. Right here. Great knob, right? Alright, let me show you what the problem is. What we're trying to do. Alright, so the problem here is when I try to change the font of this, I have to click and drag or hover and scroll. And that takes time. And if I don't have a separate panel for this, I have to click here, then drag, and that just takes time. So now, let's turn this into a button. Alright? So, we're gonna need ControllerMate. Yeah. Welcome to ControllerMate. Basically, it's the MIDI, the controller for MIDI devices, which is what you're looking at here. This little MIDI device here. Yeah. Now, this one's kind of pricey. Like 220 ducks here, but if you can't get to 220 ducks, you can go with the MIDI Designer 2 right here. Ba-da! And that can get you started as well. You know what I mean? Create all these little knobs here or sliders, and you're good to go. So, let's make this up. First thing is get to our controller. Which is here. We got okay, MIDI. All you do is just turn the knob a little bit, figure out which one's highlighted. It's this one. Oh yeah, this is live button making. Did I tell you this already? Live buttons. I'll take questions along the way. We can learn stuff while I make stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Let's see what we're gonna do. So once we're in here, we gotta go to our source, capture this knob here. So we're on channel 15. Once we're in, let's see, update. So we want to change some of these settings here. Update when leave. Okay, behavior. Okay, any value, because it's gonna. Let's see. If I turn this off, you can see I turn it once. And it doesn't blink up more than once. I turn it right, it only does it once. So we want to do any value. So when I turn it left, it continues to send that signal. It sends 63, right? So that's all we need. 65, 63. Great. If you're not getting 65 or 63, you probably have this set on coarse value here. We want a control value, not a course value. Okay, great. So that got 65. Let's switch over to our math, our calculation here. We need 2 of them. This one's going to be, go ahead and connect these two. 65. Actually, this was 63. We want to report, no, we want all values, so we're going to disconnect that. This is 65. 65, 65, 65. Oh, this is totally in your way, huh? Let me move this. Okay, let me move this down a little bit. Whoop. Alright. Okay, 65, 63. Okay, 65, we just want 65. Great. So when we turn this left, we get this on. And turn this right, it's on. Bop, 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 bop. We got baby P and baby J in the background. So at any moment, I might have to take a little break. But we do what we do, you know what I mean? Hopefully everyone's having a good weekend. Making buttons all weekday. And making buttons on the weekend. It's all good. We all love them automations, you know? Alright, let's see what we got. So we're sending it. So let's keep it basic. We'll make it more complicated as we go. So cursor building block. It's gonna move the cursor, and then it's gonna scroll the wheel. Rata, rata. Okay. Now switch over to figure out where is it moving to. It's moving to 42 137. 42 137. Oh shoot, where's my Spectre? Don't disappear on me. Fix this up real quick. Okay. How about mouse buttons? Okay, my mouse button still works. Great, great. This is my mouse clicks. Let's turn on those mouse clicks real quick. No, 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 no. Should be on. Let's try it again. Mouse clicks. Great, great, great. We got mouse clicks. Yeah. Okay, so what was the numbers? It was 42 137. 137. Okay, let's give it a try. Move it. Tap, tap, tap. Move. Tap, tap, tap. Relative? No. We want the screen position. 42 137. Rah, rah, rah. Where's my mouse? Okay. Rah. Okay, this is. Return. Okay, there it is. Pop, pop. There it is. Pop. Great. All right. 139 147. Okay, that's great. And it's going to be one wheel down by one step. Let's go over here, see if it works. Whoop, whoop. There it is. Let me select the text layer, make sure we're all good. Okay, here we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. See, it's going there. Whoop, whoop. But it's, the order's all mixed up. It needs some nice pauses. It needs some nice pauses, okay? Let's see what's happening here. So I do this. You see how it's only activating once? So you want to turn it, it only activates once, and these aren't activating again. So this is where we're going to need a nice pulse, 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 pulse. Where's timing? Timing, pulse, 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 pulse. Okay, pulse. Alright, let me move this up here. So it's just going to pulse the signal a whole bunch of times. anytime it updates, it's just gonna pulse. So now you can see it's staying highlighted. Basically, it's turning on and then turning right off, so that it can accept another on. This thing here just turns itself off. It will turn off right after the input turns on. You know what I mean? So normally you can put a pause there, but yeah, we just want it to go on off, on off, on off, right? Just send that signal every time we move it. Great. So here we go. Ta-ta-ta. And now we got our first knob. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, if you know a little bit about Chrome shortcuts, here we go. Now, there is a shortcut for font. If I can type, it's not going in for some reason. It's not fonting. Interesting. I have a whole bunch of things running. And it won't let me type. Hi. There is a font. I'll just hold it so you can see. There must be something capturing something. Let's see this. Okay, there we go. Something was capturing our typing. So here we go. So right here, boom. There's a nice shortcut for it, and we can rename it. But the problem is, like, it goes by two steps. You know what I mean? Not as good. And when you're designing, you can't have 2 steps. You need to go down to like the decimal place. Alright. So let's make some more. Now let's open up ControllerMate again. Alright, so let's add a command in there. Command. Keystroke. Actually, let's not do keystroke. Controllers. No. Output should be one of these. Properties. Oh, it's this one. Jeez. Rata. We're good to go. Okay, so we're in here with command. Actually, it needs to be a keyboard command, not just an output. Ah. Controller. We want this one. You can see it highlight. Okay, this one left. Great. So if this is on and this is sending a signal, it's going to do. Actually, we don't even need this, right? Because we can. It's on 2 devices. So let's say I go over here, hold down command. Yeah, this should work. Just put on shift. It should work just fine. Now, I think the only problem with it right now, it's sending too many clicks. So we want to decrease the sensitivity of this turn, and we can do that with a counter. And we'll fill this out once we've finished our left turn. Okay, let's see. Left turn, we need some math. Math. That's the math. Simple counter. Counter. Okay, counter. So it's gonna count, and then it only will turn on when the count hits to say 1, maximum value 3, increment every 1. Whenever it remains the same, roll over to the opposite limit. Great. So you can see as I'm sending the number, we are resetting. Just go pop. It goes to 0, which I don't want. Minimum value, that's a good one. We can, and the value we want is 3. not 63. Great. So I go rat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. It only turns on every 3, so now we have decreased the sensitivity of this turn. Nice. So that when we stop turning, it stops. You know, if you turn it fast, it's relatively comfortable. You know what I mean? Yeah. Makes sense. Okay, that's nice. Now, what do we need? What else do I need? Oh, right. We need to, let's say if our mouse is here, ta-ta. Actually, that's fine. Yeah, you see how it scrolls on the screen? If you happen to have your mouse here and you scroll, it changes the canvas size. So we need to ignore the first. We have to make sure it moves the mouse first before it scrolls. So let me do that one. How do we do that? Well, while I think about that, let's take some questions and some comments from the stream. Okay. Right. Okay, let's actually. We'll just take some comments. I think it's a good idea. It's like when I have some, we do the live streams, and I can address the comments all at once. You know what I mean? You and me. All right, here we go. Here we go. 1 week ago. All right. I have any tutorials on how to set modifier with a mouse click. So imagine what he's trying to say here is turn a mouse click into a modifier. All right. How to hot key a modifier. How to hot a modifier with a mouse click. Turning a mouse into a modifier. Here we go, mouse into a modifier. Where is Cupid Maestro? Mouse click into modifier. Mouse click into a modifier. Mouse click into modifier. Okay, mouse click into modifier. Mouse click into modifier. All right, mouse click into modifier. Here, what do we got here? Uh-oh, low battery. Uh-oh, my phone's running out of battery. BRB. All right. Oh, it's nice being back, by the way. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a minute. You know, life is taking me through curves, turns. Gave me 2 babies. Moved to Vietnam. Moved back. Oh, gee. I feel like I'm settled enough now. We're good to go. Get back into this button game. And I would also like to say shout out to, like back in 2007, I had 1 patron on Patreon, you know what I mean? Whoa. Shout out to Fox. Whoa. For Foxtrot. Whoa. That's great. Totally motivated me to get back on this channel. Making some more stuff. Making some great content. Staying creative. Right, Baby J? All right, we're back in. We got battery power. And let me turn on brightness of this real quick. Okay, so you see a knob turn. It's all about that knob turn. All right. So mouse click with modifier. Let's see what we got. So I imagine I would use a USD device key. I would use this when this is down with the modifier. You would turn this button into a modifier. Oh gee, turn this button into a modifier, huh? Modifier. Type modifiers. Simulate modifier. Okay. Okay. So imagine, let's say this is shift. Right. So this is good because I'm not. This is crazy text here. So let's say I click here. Oh no. Click. I am. Wait. Okay, this is not working. Yeah, let's do center click. Simulate modifiers. Okay. Flash Alt. That's not what I want. Okay, so when I can't find anything, I go to Flash Alt, which lives in LOL here. Oops. Lives in LOL. Let's disable that. Okay, great. Go back to whip. Get out of here. All right, try it again. So this shift, tap. Let's actually go to stickies real quick, or go to our just YouTube comments real quick. Oh wait, what am I doing here? Yahoo. Make sure I don't have. You okay, babe J? No, I can confirm it's not working. Eesh. Okay, it's not working. Simulating. Press and release. Press and hold. Haha. Got him now, coach, right? Was that the answer? Come on. That had to be it. I think it's probably because two devices can't talk. Send the modifier over. So let me actually try and find her. I'm trying to find her real quick. Copy? No, it's not working. Okay, now can't trial and error. You've trialed and error. Now it's time to search. Mouse button as modifier. Keyboard Maestro. Use, please help. Okay, stop. Trigger with mouse click. Hotkey. Combinations, keyboard and mouse wheel. Mouse button modifier. Okay. I mean, like, yeah, I generally don't use my mouse as a modifier. You know, those buttons are very useful for what they are. And I generally just have the razor. I have all my modifier on my razor. Get a shot of it? No, can't. That is a good question. Never done it. Okay, when you can't think of anything, let's set it aside and we'll do it another time. You know what I mean? Let it marinate in your background, you know, in your brain. You know, let it roll. Let's continue with this. All right. Okay. Let's go back over here. Let's turn the knob. Things are going perf. Really nice. Shift modifiers working real nice. Command modifiers, you see it's going down real nice. Now, okay. Now what are we gonna do? What are we going to do? Oh, D-style macro button. Woohoo! One of my buttons to center the text. Ha. Okay. Let's see. What was I trying to do? Okay. So, the initial. If you have your mouse here, and then you turn it, and then you like go back and you like turn it. Oh man, not good. Turn it. Oh, sometimes it just doesn't work. So we want these to send. Maybe try a real small delay. I don't know if a delay will work very well. What's happening with? Whoa. Okay. Let's try very small. Boop. Boop. Allow delay to continue. Okay. Let's give it a try. Give it a try. Because then it's always going to delay my stuff. And I actually would. Now it's. There we go. Is it? Yeah, yeah. See, now it's not. See, now it's not doing that thing. I'm trying to change the canvas. Here we go. See? It's not changing the canvas no more. That's pretty good. I mean, yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, yeah. As long as it's not doing the thing. Great. Okay. Okay. Oh, and let's actually reset. Because if I'm like on 2 and I hit it, kind of want to reset so the first 2 numbers don't trigger, so that it helps with this delay as well. So I'm going to do a reset timer. So we have a secondary system where it's just a little timer, and we need 2 things for that. We need the dwell and the pulse. Imagine we can send the same signal over here and reset. So you can see here, I turn the knob here. It's on. Let go, and then it turns off. On. Then it turns off. You see here? Show you again here. Turn the knob. Whoop. It's on. Let go. Wait a second. Then it triggers, and that will reset. That will reset that. So all we need to do is to. What is this? Oh yeah, I just need to invert the signal because this is not what we want. We want to invert signal. So we want a logic, and that's a not logic. It's basically it's the opposite. Reset. So we're good. Let go and reset. So if it happens on the 2, if it last thing's on a 2, it will be okay. All right. I think that's it, right? Yeah. We got a reset timer and should be able to just copy it over. This will send into here. That will be there. Same location, but not up. We're going up. So this one's going down, going up. Delay, same spot on the screen. That's fine. Everything else is fine. Fine. 65. Yeah. So let's go over and check it out. Moving left, boom, making it small. Moving right, making it big. Hold down Shift, boom, huge. What I'm really all about is this command. You see that tiny little font change size. Big deal. We got him. Mm-hmm. We got him. We got him. We got him. Let's see. Okay. Nice. Nice, nice. Thumbs up. We got him. First knob in. Heck yes. And let's go ahead and show you make sure this thing works. Oh no, it's sending. It's constantly sending. So we want to, when we slide it, we just, what kind of thing is that? Oh gee, we want a continuous knob. I don't think this thing has a continuous knob. Didn't think about that. Uno momento. Get a knob in here. Okay, here, let me actually do it on cam. Dilate. Okay, we want to hold this down. Select our knob. Okay, let's go full screen on this. Okay. So hold this down. Click the knob. Boom. Knob in. Select to edit. Okay. Double click. Oh man, how do I do? It will just be two values that continually pumps out a program change back pitch bend after touch. Song positioner. Start and stop. What is that all about? What's that all about? Okay, this one. I don't know how you're gonna set this up. Yeah, because I need to just continually turn this, and it'll send a single number. This, yikes. Okay, I'm gonna need to look into this. I don't know how I'm gonna get this. Yikes. I mean, only range is like 60, 63, 63 over here, 65 over here. At this point, I'm just trial and erroring right now. How do I continuous? Okay. Can't figure it out. Gotta Google. So it's nice to see if you can figure it out. But if you can't, yeah, Google. Alright, MIDI designer. Jose. MIDI designer. Continuous. No. I think there's a special term for it. End less on the big page. End this knob. Encoders. They're encoders. Okay. End this and fixed. Okay. Encoders. This. Oof. Okay, I don't think it's possible right now. 2013. Steppers do wrap around. Just want to send the same signal. Ah, the pain. The pain. The pain. Yikes, this is not going to be good. This is not possible right now. Well, we tried. Still, I recommend the sweet physical knob. Yeah. This is the MIDI Designer Twister. I don't actually use it that much, but I wanted to make the button for it. Yeah. Oh my goodness, there's a live thing happening there. That's supposed to be over there. Okay. Well, let's go answer some more questions. Alright, here we go. More questions. Alright, K Cox, thank you very much, bro. Here we go. Can I use this to automate typing a specific text one letter at a time in another app? Yes, you can, Joseph. Oh, yes, you can, Joseph. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, Joseph. This one is for Joseph. 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 Okay, that's what you do, Joseph. Just have your key, right? And then you just go type. Insert by typing. Boom. One at a time. Let's see if you can change the delay on this. I didn't know if you can change the delay on this, but it works usually. When something doesn't work by pasting, just type it in. Yeah, just type it in, or manually do it with one button at a time. You know what I mean? It's one button. Like you can type in "coup." There you go. See? Probably a capital C, and then duplicate all this. O-O-L. Okay? Q. Okay? That's how you do it, Joseph. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Problem solved. This is something else. Okay. Okay. Here we go. John, loving your tutorials, man. Notice you had some Premiere Pro macros. Okay. Okay. Alright. Let's see my Premiere. Oh, Premiere, huh? Alright, let's look at what we got here. Premiere is all over the place, alright? Premiere is all over the place. One thing I wish Human Maestro had is like folders for these too, because they all function differently. I got a nice individual app Premiere. And I got my palette from Premiere, and my Razor Premiere. This just sends shortcut, just rebinds some things. Really dope. I'll talk about this another time. Basically, my Razor setup here is so that I can have different combinations for one button. You know what I mean? Look at that. F4, boom, boom. Just change my modifier, and then the function will do the rest. It's basically, yeah, rerouting the buttons. All my Razor buttons are just function numbers. Now, let's get to your question. Some dope things that I do in Premiere, okay? This is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. This is pretty essential right here. This little thing right here, very, very essential. Let me go to Premiere. Let's see what I got here. Premiere, let's go to just edit. No, let's go over to, should have super somewhere. Whip, ba, la, 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 la. Get nothing here. Photoshop, that's what it's called. Okay. So, say for example, I make endpoint, and then make sure I don't have anything selected. They're great. I have endpoint, and then I gotta turn on my. I'm not supposed to say real quick. Great. So I'm in, and they go pow. Okay, that didn't work because this is not my work machine. Let me fix that real quick. Toggle or assign. Assign source preset? No, it's track. What's up, Doctor? What's up? What is it? Source? I think it's source. Source. Okay, come on. Toggle. Can't remember what it's called. It's been a while since I did this one. It should be a track number. Source, track. This is called, this little thing is target. Ah, jeez. Target. Okay. Target, video, track 2 and 1. Okay. So, because you know when you're making selection in Premiere, there's a nice, you have to, make a cut, move it up, do your thing. So this is deselect everything. Out point, endpoint's already selected. Copy, delete, and this is okay. This is the shortcut. That it is a commit. It's a commit shift album 1. Oh shoot! What is happening here? 1. Oh shoot! This is not. I need to quit the engine real quick. Crazy things are happening. 1 and 2. I probably have something else assigned to those. Okay. Is that right? I think it's option shift. Oh no, it's wrong. That's why it's happening. It's option shift command 1. Yeah, let's delete all of this. Don't know which switch. 1, 2. Yeah, I did not. Yeah, this is not my. This is my home computer, so my shortcuts normally don't. But let's give it a try again. Okay, so you're going along, right? You're making your video in, and then you're out. Boom. Come on. Oh, Keyboard Maestro engine. Keyboard Maestro. The launch engine, please. Launch engine, please. Great. And then let me actually make sure my stream's on. Okay, that's good. Alright, so, yeah. Boom! There it is. And keep on playing. That's good, right? Dope, right? It's dope, right? It's dope. So when I'm making my selection, I go in, out. And these are just, the in and out is 2 buttons assigned to my shuttle. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's probably the one I use most often. Yeah, move to track 2. Multicam flatten. This one's pretty fancy, but doesn't actually save me that much time. It just saves 1 button, not a big deal. Uh-oh, what's happening? Save, reminder, duplicate. What is this all about? Duplicate plus 1. Ah, yes. Okay. When you're making, okay, like you're sitting with the director, right? And it's like, hey, duplicate that sequence. Or, I have a great idea, right? And this again, personal work, so it's not something I do. But like, ooh, duplicate that project, right? Or the director's like, hey, let's try something new. So you need to quickly duplicate your project just in case that didn't work, and number it as well. So, I just automate that real quick. Duplicate, whatever your shortcut for duplicate is. Select the text, so return, right arrow, select the last two numbers. So manually it would be like this, right, and then these two buttons, right? So that selects that. So we want to delete that. Do I normally copy that? Oh, right. Because there's normally when you duplicate, there's those the copy numbers, right? Right. 1, 2. Delete, and then select those two, and then you cut, right? You cut, and with that cut, you cut it. So you set that variable to the current clipboard. So this is my variable. So I store 0, 1 into a clipboard, and then I just use a calculation to add 1 to it with formatting 0, 0, and then insert by typing enter, and then open that timeline. This is my shortcut for opening the timeline, and then okay, yeah. So that's that, and then you can do close. There's a little thing in Premiere. I wish it would not have it, but it would open up two, right? And then you can close all the other ones. So it searches for this small little thing. That searches for the sandwich, but I actually don't use that. I don't think this works very well, and I might have deleted and disabled this. Yeah, C and enter. Don't know why I need these, but oh right, it goes in here and types C, which is close. Might be better just navigate down. Close other panels. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's another one. Quickly renumber, duplicate, and renumber. Boom. Super quick, ready to go. Close everything. Several functions into one little thing. And these little moments are like panic moments, like the director's like, hey, do this! And then you gotta do it, you know what I mean? So it's good to have. Home play, what it's all about. Multicam flatten outro. Yeah, this was like very complicated. Yeah, outro bumper paste, all caps. All caps, delete empty tracks. Delete empty tracks is because normally when you delete empty tracks, you have to click once or go in there or whatever shortcut you have. Then you click here and they say, okay, delete all. Because I don't think there's a shortcut for delete tracks. Let's go delete tracks. It doesn't have delete all tracks, and I do this quite frequently. So I save myself 2 clicks. These are like small things, save me a few clicks here and there. But yeah, small clicks here and there. But let me show you a big thing that saves me hours of work. Hours of work. Top secret here. And it's usually because I don't use them as much. Like renaming all my renumbering, like renaming titles for sequences. If it's all in I've normally given like a Google sheet with all the final titles and final names for the titles, right? For the sequence things, and I just copy that, and it parses through everything and renames everything. And I usually have like 10 to 20, and that takes a good 10 minutes. And that's, I believe, what paste lesson titles is. Really complicated one. Just it does a lot of parsing and searching. This is the thing that I search for. It searches for. So basically, I copy the whole sheet. Right? I copy the whole sheet, and then it searches that sheet for the lesson. So the lesson usually is a 2-digit lesson from here to here, right? 2-digit lesson followed by some random stuff, right? Yeah. Then it saves the variable and does some crazy stuff. But actually, that's not what I want to show you. I don't even know if I have it here. It's a relatively new insert. New macro. Insert Auto insert images? Yeah, in images. Maybe it's this one. This might be... Oh, yeah. Oh, no, this was a different one. Yeah, so one of my major jobs is one of my most time-consuming and most frustrating thing to do, especially during the assembly of the edit, is to insert images. You know, like if I'm doing we got a screen capture of an iPhone, right? I'm taking photos, and then each time he takes a photo, the screen goes black, right? And those positions don't ever change, right? So I just took like 3 points, 3 pixels, so it's like a nice little triangle on the screen, right? So like these, if this is the photo that for that single frame, I would take this point and this point and this point to not have false positives, right? Right? That'll be a black screen, and then from there, start inserting images. This one's a very specialized one. And I just inserted images. It's mainly rapid fire, right? Yeah, I just every single frame. Like I played the video a bit, and then I found a part where it's rapid fire, right? Activate the plugin, go frame by frame, and figure out. Yeah. I just went frame by frame, figure out, because basically that's what I do manually, right? Just scroll it frame by frame until I see where it clicks to where to insert the actual final photo. So like boom, just that boom, 500 times. Just keep on inserting until whoosh. Yeah. Oh yeah. I use this once for one project. It took me like maybe like a few minutes to set up, but saved me like 2 hours. You know what I mean? The other one's not here. It's on my work computer, but it does the same idea. Each photo has a timestamp. Let's see. Each photo has a timestamp. Date, creation, Photoshop date. So this one. Each photo has a unique timestamp. So, actually need to activate it. Disable date. Each photo has a unique timestamp here, and I use that timestamp to insert it into the sequence. Dope. I'll give you one more example and I gotta move on. Insert media enter. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. If you do a lot of multicam editing, then like let's say you have four videos, right? And you select the first one and then insert in a sequence. Boom. By using these fun little, let's move this side, because you can have these track assignments, right? So the first video would go on track 1, second video would go on track 2, third video would go on track 4. You know, moving those things up and down, you know, it's hassle. So what you do is manage presets. You know, you start saving them. You set one, then you save it. Save preset, right? And then you assign the shortcut. So then, it all goes in the right spot. Super easy, super great. Yeah. All right, we're almost about an hour of this live stream. I'll probably end it in 5 minutes or so. Let's do one more, and then we'll end it. Be patient. Okay, here we go. This is something. All right. Is there a way to make the mouse click? Left click if you move the mouse by, say, 10 pixels. Whoa. So you're saying move the mouse 10 pixels on the left, then it clicks. So if there's any movement on the mouse, then it clicks. Is that what it's saying? Trying to find. It'd be nice if people. Is there a way to to make the mouse left click if you move the mouse by 10 pixels. I mean, I use this, it'd be in After Effects, time code. What is this? Helper. Move there, move down. Yes, sir. Yeah, I guess I used, what is this? Create declare helper? No? Oh. It's Encoder, sorry. Here we go. See? I click it. Move and click at the current mouse location. Right? And then I move it like 20 pixels. And I repeat. Right? No, I only need to do this once. You know, the current mouse location. What is this? Oh yeah. Here we go. I think this is what you're talking about. This is the most relevant thing. Is you have you click somewhere, and then you move it 20 pixels, and you click again. I imagine that's what you want. A trigger that follows your mouse movement. I don't think that's a trigger. I don't think that's an actual trigger. I don't think that's an actual trigger. I mean, yeah, I don't think that's an actual trigger. If you needed to do it, I think I recommend ControllerMate for that. So let's see, controllers, electrical mouse. Yeah. Okay, I need to do. Come on, where's my mouse? Here, x-axis. Here we go, x-axis. Here we go. So we're moving it. La 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 la. What? And imagine a counter would work. Counter. Here we go. Counter. Add. Reta. What the heck is this? Reta. Oh, it's a weird counter. Is that not right? Oh, I need a selector. Selector. Bada. I don't want to have major movement. I want subtle movement. Any huge things, it's not. It needs to go one by one. You know what I mean? Not behavior. Any new value. Any value. How about this? No, that's not gonna work. Any value. Ignore. Repeating zeros. Modifiers. XSS. I like. But I tap. Let's go add. Ta. And yeah, I'll do the same system. Identify. Okay, this is all reset. Let me copy over. Okay, Biv J, we're almost done. Let's get our dwell in here, and then so we can reset. Okay. So move. Hold. Should reset. Shoot, I want to also have the pulse. We're almost done with this. Okay, here we go. Turn off. Okay. These numbers are. I need to include more numbers. Okay, so move. I mean, imagine if you go above 10. Okay, that's pretty good. So I go okay, reset. Then oh, come on. Okay. Oh G. Oh no. Okay, let me reset. I need to go all the way. Maximum value 10. Remain the same. When we hit 10, we stop. Right? So I move my mouse. But it's not sending those numbers in. Why is it not sending the numbers? Report. Okay, that's the problem. It's only reporting new values. That's the problem. Here we go. Oh yeah, move 10 pixels. Oh yeah. And then AppleScript from here. Boom. AppleScript from here. And then another selector. Let's give another selector. Selector, 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 na 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 na, selector. Oh, I should probably do a range for this one. Too late now. Does the same thing in my opinion. 10, report new values only. Do not. Yeah. Report only new values only. So, okay. Reset. Ah! And then when it turns on, we will activate AppleScript Power, use script, store script, building block, and from here, we will then have the move mouse. Which one was it? Okay, let's just do this one. Click. All right, move 10 and then click. And we want this to be a script. Copy, 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 copy. Paste. All right, that's how it is. Wait. Uh-oh. Paste. Come on. There we go. Get in there. Title. Move it. Okay? Almost 1 hour. We're already over an hour. This thing's not going in. Okay. Save. Why is it going crazy on me? Okay. Oh, shoot. Copy this. Paste. Enter. Type. Update status. Okay, we're in. Okay, we're in. With parameter, whatever. Get out of here. Okay, great. Update status, great. Move it. Okay, it's off. And then we want a simple warning here. Display display text. Yeah! Come on, Baby J. Baby P, calm down. We're almost done. Alright, it moved. Wait. Oh, gee. Wait. Okay. 10 pixels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! Whoa! Yeah! That's right. Yeah. That's great. Okay. Yeah! Move the mouse. That's right, we're moving the mouse. Okay. Yeah! Oh, everything's out of battery. Can't stop the stream. Okay. Yeah, okay. There's no way for me to stop the stream. Everything's out of batteries. We're pretty much done here. Thank you very much for watching. Can't even switch camera angles. Everything's out of battery. No! All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Pretty much done here. Thumbs up. We're done. Yeah, we're done here. Gotta charge up my iPad so I can stop the stream. So, might be 10 minutes of nothing. Let's see if I can stop it with the... Where's my laptop?
Where'd my laptop go? Where'd it go?
Yeah, this is great. I'll try to do this once a week. You know? Try to do it once a week. make some more buttons. You know. And then I'll try to do like cut down of the live streams. I think that'll be easier. Something that's doable. Eventually create another, update the course, make it really professional, you know, normalize the audio so it's not too loud, fewer zoom ins, you know, whatever's easy for all of us to learn. I'm here for you guys, okay? I'm ready to chill, real chill, okay? Real chill. Switch. Let me switch.